I have found another game. So, yung pangalan nito ay Blocks and Props. And this game is parang kagaya lang daw ng Jenga. Pero, ano ngayon? Para siyang survival. Like, may magtatanggal ng blocks dito. Tapos, ganun ka parang bawal kami malag. So, start na tayo. Let's go! Huwag niyo rin mag-subscribe at mag-like. Okay, there's it. So, anyari, nasan yung blocks na... Sino yung magtatanggal? What? Para may pupunta doon. Okay. Let's wait. Ops. Nakikita ko na. Destroyer died. Bruh! Okay. Another game. Sana naman, hindi na ma-destroy yung destroyer, no? Bruh! Ano yun? Ba't ako pumunta? Diba? Marami lang yung... Ubusan lang tayo, guys. Ubusan lang rin. Oo, ubusan lang talaga. Like, as in, ubusan. Ay. Bra! Mauuna ba akong kumain sa inyo? Sige na, ayun mo lang ang tubig. Iwanan ko muna tong recording ko dito. May naubos kaya. Ayan, dami na naubos. Dalawa na lang. Feeders on the road. Oh, wow, friend. Ayan na, guys. Okay. We are starting. Whee! Ngayon, di na ako magbaka. Talon lang dyan. May butas dun, oh. Hala, try ko nga. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Wala, dito yung una tinatama. Okay. Aray! Diba yan ako yung tinatamaan? Hindi naman yung black. Pila lang, guys. Sino ba yung destroyer? Siya yata. Ay! Sige, ano mo. Ay! Dito lang, guys. Okay, try ko dito sa gilid. Sumama na rin siguro. Okay. Bakit kotse yung inaano mo? Hindi na yung kotse nito binabato. Kotse binabato yun. Oh? Anong kotse yan? Uy, gogs. Bayan, pick up truck. May jump scare dito, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. O, diba? Shit! Tignan nyo, guys. May jump scare. Shit! Kasi props. Blocks and props. Kaya marami. Meron kaming method. Keep throwing cars. Keep throwing cars. It's not gonna work. Please stop. It's not gonna work. Huwag mo subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo. O, diba? Sumuko na yung destroyer. Shimmy, yaya. Shimmy. Yay! Sumuko na yung destroyer. Yay! Sumuko na yung destroyer. Let's go. Okay, 2 minutes na lang. 2 minutes na lang. Okay, 1 minute na lang. Let's go. 20 seconds. 22, 21. 20 seconds! Di pa sila nakasurvive dun sa pinakauna. Dito lang kami. Bye Philippines? O bakit may bye Philippines? Anong nangyari? Ay. Game over! Nanalo kami! Yeah! La la la! Oh! What is this? Oh my god, what is this game? I don't know. This the exit. Exit. What? Dapat parang horror. This game is contains flashing loud noises, continuous and jump scares run away before it's too late to solve this problem for the effort to head to our special levels. This game is being revealed for the new team. Developers, please support us on your channels. My jump scare! Bruh! Endless mode. Endless mode.
Alright?
Mare.
Parang balik.
Okay. Normal mode, 1 out of 1. Kailangan ko ng kasama, siyempre.
Okay na yan.
Aba,
Cellphone eh. Ako na cellphone.
tagal niya naman. Yan pala, meron pala dito marami. Ah! Leave!
Nandito yan.
Kailangan ko ng kasama. Uy.
Tayo na.
Nag-glitch!
Okay, balik tayo.
Nag-glitch! Yee! Let's try this game.
Wala na, yun na yung last eh.
Okay, we are teleporting. Loading your assets. Loading your assets.
Ang paras nga kaya nga.
Loading your assets. Tagal naman ito mag-loading assets. Assets. Wait on other players. The exit. The exit ba to? Or exit lang. Sprint. Oh, what is this game? Oh, hello. Okay, how to play this game?
Ganyan eh.
How to play this game? Ano yun? Parang yung... Yes.
Wala.
Hindi ka pa nagluluto.
Bro,
Kita mo, hindi ko pa pala. Ito naman nasabi.
dyan? Dyan ba? What do you mean, bro? Okay, let's go forward. What the? Bro, we teleported. What do you mean? Oh, anong boboto mo ate? Yes? Okay, yes rin ako. What the? Tumilim. Tumilim! Okay, second. What the? Ate. Ate. Ate, dito lang. Pili. So, sabi mo may jumpscare, ba't parang wala naman jumpscare? Third floor? Oh, di na kami. Ano?
Alright.
Ano ate?
Tutry ako.
Ano ate?
My gym body. Ito yung itsura ko.
Yes. Okay, yes rin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, anong floor na to? 8? Exit 8? Ang dami. What? Yes. Di ako nag-teleport. Di ako nag-teleport. Di ako nag-teleport. Oh, well, just go back and back. Whoa, ba't di ako nag-teleport? What is this game? Okay, so this is Minecraft Obby and Brat. And napapansin ko rin sa TikTok and YouTube that nabibisit yung mga tao. So I think pag di ako nag-rage quit, maybe Magbibit ko naman to. Magbibit ko naman to yata eh. Oh yeah. Okay, yung rage percent ko is about 20%. Yes. And if I fail again, it will add another 20%. That's how I am. A rage quitter. So, I think I can beat this game. Ang easy lang nitong game na to eh. Just jump, walk, run, jump, walk, run, jump, walk, run. Yeah, I've been playing this Abby for a little bit. Tulong! Si ate nalaglag, kawawang bata. And, what the? Yung kabo... Hotdog na inilaga ng sabaw. Yun! Okay, we are good, guys. Okay, so... I think pag nalaglag ako, magkakaroon na lang naman ng 20%. So, that will be very great. 20% lang naman eh. Ayaw ko malaglag.